Are you tired of power interruptions? Prodigy Exclusive Company has got you covered. We're excited to announce the successful installation of an 800-watt solar generator at olorunshola, ayobo, iyanopaja. This compact but powerful solar generator is perfect for your home or small business. It's designed to provide steady, eco-friendly energy to keep your lights, fans, and essential devices running smoothly, all without fuel or noise. At Prodigy Exclusive Company, we deliver professional installations tailored to meet your energy needs. Our team ensures every setup is efficient and optimized for maximum performance. With our solar solutions, you can enjoy reliable power while saving money on electricity and contributing to a greener environment. It's the perfect combination of sustainability and convenience. Want to switch to solar? Contact us today at 0912 441 8659 or connect with us on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook at Prodigy Exclusive Company. Let's help you enjoy uninterrupted power, just like we did for olorunshola, ayobo.